slight risk. Like, literally everywhere is in a slight risk for severe weather today.
Really?
Yes.
Huh.
Hold on, I'll show you. Alrighty, so let's go to the arena. Yeah, yeah, check it out. We're in a slight risk today. What do you think?
Venus.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. The date is October 25th, 2021 on a Monday. Let's go. We got some apparent storms gonna happen. This hasn't happened for a while. Ever since I got this new camera. Yeah, there's been no storms for me to videotape, so I don't even know if this is gonna look good or not. So, yay. So, right now, there are no warnings or watches, for that matter, in effect right now, but our whole area is in a slight risk, which is pretty interesting. I mean, there's been a lot of things that happen in a marginal risk I've seen before, so there's probably going to be something that's going to be happening here. So yeah, as we speak, storms are rapid firing up everywhere from below us. They're going, I think, in a northeasterly direction, and we're expecting this kind of rapid development throughout the whole day. So hopefully, one of them will be severe. Let's get this.
60 miles per
Guys, I
hour.
literally just got a warning and missed it. It's literally for,
Radar indicated.
God dang it.
Impact. Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. Winds could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Charlottesville, Westmoreland, Hollymead, Gordonsville, Ruckersville, Hart, Barboursville, Stony Point, Carsbrook, Newtown, Dawsonville, Somerset, and Burtonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Alright, so right now, this line of severe well, not severe yet, but this matured nicely-ish. Right now, we've got a storm chaser, good old Chris White. He's down here in Pennsylvania County, going up the road to try to meet the storms. Will he make it? He will not, because this is far away. He's probably not going to make it. God dang it, Chris White, you failed everyone!
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Appomattox County in central Virginia.
Ooh, spoilers.
Northwestern Campbell County in central Virginia. Central Bedford County in south central Virginia. Southern Amherst County in central Virginia. The city of Lynchburg in central Virginia until 7:30 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bedford, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lynchburg, Bedford, Amherst, Huddleston, Clifford, Forest, and Coleman Falls. This includes the following locations: Liberty University, the National D-Day Memorial, and Lynchburg Airport. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.
Uh-oh! Severe thunderstorm! Oh, there it is. Oh, it's Russ.
The Weather Service has 0100 a.m. Tuesday.
Power 100 AM.
This watch includes the following counties: in Virginia, Amelia, Appomattox, Buckingham, Charlotte, Cumberland, Fluvanna, Goochland, Louisa, Lunenburg, Nottoway, Orange, Powhatan, Prince Edward, and Spotsylvania. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Growing season ended in the Allegheny Mountains. Since we are 2 weeks past the median date of the climatological first freeze in the following counties, their growing season is declared over.
Alright guys, here we go. I knew it. I didn't know there would be a watch. Boom, there we go. It is for us.
To 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles
Whoa, this was a tornado possible.
Midnight, mostly clear until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. This is the NOAA weather
There's
radio.
us, yeah, boy.
Ah. Appomattox County in central Virginia.
Oh, what the? I don't know why that's glitching out, but
Source, radar
wasn't from anything. Spirit thunderstorm.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Nelson County in central Virginia until 7:30 p.m. At 6:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Shipton to near Stonewall to near Leesville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees.
Oh shoot!
Large power outages are possible.
Tornado warning.
Projectiles.
Accidentally shut the camera off. Sorry.
That include Shipman, Arrington, Norwood, Fine
It's
Fork,
this one,
Pine
I'm
River,
pretty sure.
Allens Creek, Wingina, Gladstone, and
That is not it. Never mind. Here it
For
is.
your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest
But there is
floor of the
tornado
building.
warnings happening.
Thunderstorm warning for Central Bedford County in South Central Virginia, Southern Amherst County in Central Virginia, the city of Lynchburg in Central Virginia.
House just started shaking. Whoa. God dang. Holy crap. It is pouring right now. See that? Look at how... Wow. Wow. There's a lot of damage already. There's some lightning action up here, apparently. Oh, wow. There is. It's really familiar, doesn't it? Alright, let's try that again. Quick little news flash, everybody. Lights are going crazy. Power is going out and back on. I don't know why. We haven't been in a severe thunderstorm warning, though. I just heard a ding 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 from the IM bot, so that might mean something. Coincidentally, when that happened, when the lights started flickering, my camera just screwed up. I don't know what was that kick. That was for like literally nothing. All right, this storm is coming up towards us. A tornado warned storm is going in that direction. Yeah, come pretty close to us. We get the warning. Yay. Either that or I'm just stupid. Oh, yeah, power did go out. Yeah, see, proof. As you saw, this thing doesn't have any batteries in it, and it just killed it. I don't know why. For some reason, every time I turn off the f***ing camera, I keep missing like a lightning strike. Oh, power's still flickering a little bit. I just put new batteries in them yesterday, and I didn't even use your power, so you're coming with me.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
I love how it's 0100. That's beautiful. That's our county. Whoa, that's some wind. Whoa! Oh, jeez. Got debris.
Including large hail and damaging winds.
Oh, frick, okay. Special weather statement. What could this be?
At 7:09 p.m. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northwestern Fluvanna County till 7:45 p.m.
There we go.
At 7:08 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Lake Monticello, or 7 miles west of Palmyra, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour.
We're near Palmyra.
Hazard, winds in excess of 40 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down trimmings and blow around unsecured objects. Strong wind gusts are possible with these storms. Potted plants, lawn furniture, and other light outdoor objects.
That was huge. Sorry, I had to turn that off so you can get that sexy ASMR. God, the wind just like seems to blow like everywhere. Uh-oh. Whoa. Yo. Oh, shoot. Hold up. Hold on. There we go. That was strong. Holy crap. I'm like trying to hold onto my radio to make sure it doesn't blow away. Why? Flashing it all over my face. Trying to get you inside. It's too dangerous for the electronics. Hello, Mother.
Thunderstorm will impact portions of northwestern Fluvanna County through 7:45 p.m.
Yeah, it is.
Uh-oh, we got flooding! Speaking of flash flood, it's all wet now. That was some pretty strong wind, not gonna lie. What's happening out the back? Whoa. That was, Jesus. Thanks, Chris. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, step it. I have my pajamas on. You can't touch me, I got my pajamas on. Whoa. God, stop blowing it on me. Frickin' idiot weather hole. Wow, that was huge. It smells like cigarettes. What the frick? I smell cigarettes. If that means I'm about to get struck by lightning, I hope you guys like and subscribe if I live through this. What do you think? No, you want to protect you. You're so freaking cute. That's loud.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Appomattox County in Central Virginia, Northern Charlotte County in South Central Virginia, Southeastern Campbell County in Central Virginia, Buckingham County in Central Virginia, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Wingina to near Oakville to near Gladys, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Oh my god.
Locations impacted include Buckingham,
It's blown in.
Dillon, Red House,
All this. That's a lot of damage.
and Cullen. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds.
You prepare.
For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. The severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Appomattox, north central Campbell, and southeastern Amherst counties and the eastern city of Lynchburg will expire at 7:30 p.m. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area.
And then, wait for it.
Therefore, the
Wait
warning
for
is
it.
allowed to-
Wait for it! Boom. My camera dies. So, that brings me to the next shots that you're about to see. And the following shots you are about to see is the result of me just grabbing the next camera that I had on standby. A really old iPad. Yeah, the quality is really not good on that thing. So yeah, this is where the storm got really, really severe. Like, I'm talking crap was getting thrown all over the place. Trees were getting really bent and stuff. Branches were going everywhere. And since this is so bad quality, it doesn't look like any of that happened. But trust me, it looked way, way worse in real life. That's why I really wish my other camera didn't freaking die, so you could have seen all the details! Alright, now for the moment you have not been waiting for because you were not expecting this. 3, 2, 1.
Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Orange County in central Virginia, southeastern Culpeper County in northern Virginia, northwestern Spotsylvania County in central Virginia until 8 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles east of Orange, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles.
It's getting bad.
Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles.
That is getting
Locations
bad.
impacted include Goldale, Mine Run, Chancellorsville,
crap.
Roseville, Parker, Dunavant, Lake of the Woods, Verdiersville, Richardsville, Cookstown, Locust Grove, and Flight Run. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I'll put you back there.
This is the No Weather Radio.
Oh my god! So literally my camera just died, my new one. So I had to switch to this iPad, so yeah. Whoa, it sounds like it's getting bad out there. Oh. Oh my god! Whoa! Jesus! Okay, that's bad. This is really, really bad. Guys. Focus! Oh my god! Jeez! Let's go! Oh, you don't. I don't think you want to go out there right now. Jesus! Dad, what are you doing?
Checking the stuff,
Alright. Oh, frick.
What about that shit on the roof?
I don't know. What is this? Big storm. I don't know.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch.
Of course, my camera just had to die now.
Of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
So what I'm doing here is I'm actually unplugging my other camera because it had enough charge to record the end of it. But guess what? It didn't save because it ended up dying anyway, right in the middle of recording. So it didn't save! Ah! Alright guys, it had enough charge to record kind of the tail end of it, so I might be using my iPad for a while. But guys, holy crap. I mean, it couldn't focus. I'm so mad. It just couldn't focus. Because, I don't know, this thing is bad. It's an iPad. It's an iPad mini, not like the really old ones. But check this out. Look at that. We got hit by that. That went right through us. A mesocyclone. Wow, that was some moderate... Wow. We had some moderate circulation on that. Okay, it is calmed down significantly. It is calmed down significantly. I can't speak right now. I don't know why, because I'm dumb. There is crap everywhere. There's debris. Oh my god. There's debris on the ground. Wow. That was absolutely incredible. There is flash flooding everywhere. Wow, look at that. All the grass is pushed down from the wind. Or the water. Probably both. Wow, that was insane. What's this for?
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Charlotte County in South Central Virginia, Southeastern Campbell County in Central Virginia, Southeastern Pittsylvania County in South Central Virginia, Halifax County in South Central Virginia, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Long Island to near Blair's, moving east at 55 miles per hour.
Guys, look what we got hit by.
60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter size.
Look at that.
Source, radar indicated.
Absolutely insane.
Impact, hail damage
See the
to vehicles
fringes
is
ground.
expected. Expect wind
Trees
damage to
ground.
roofs, siding, and trees.
Got hit by
Locations impacted
a meso.
include South Boston, Halifax, Brookfield, Titusville, Charlotte Courthouse, Phoenix, and Ingram. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your
Smart
safety,
boy.
move to an interior room
He
on
was
the
down
lowest
there
floor of a sturdy
because the
building.
tornadoes are gonna go there.
Stay away from windows.
I knew there was a
When it
catch
is
to
safe to
everything.
do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling
What's he
toll-free
saying?
at 1-866-215-4324.
Darkness.
Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. The National Weather Service
I was
in
not
Blacksburg
expecting this
has
today.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for.
Oh, I think it's another severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Charlotte County in South Central Virginia, Halifax County in South Central Virginia, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Nutley, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour.
Oh.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Boston, Halifax, Rudolph, Clover, Turnbull, Natalie, and Scottsburg. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.
Oh, I think it's another severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Charlotte County in South Central Virginia, Halifax County in South Central Virginia, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Nutley, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour.
Oh.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Boston, Halifax, Rudolph, Clover, Turnbull, Natalie, and Scottsburg. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mecklenburg County in South Central Virginia, Lunenburg County in South Central Virginia, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dryburgh, or near Clover, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Chase City around 9:10 p.m. Kells Corner around 9:15 p.m. South Hill and Dundas around 9:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Bacon's Fork, Wilburn, Spanish Grove, Beechwood, Gills Corner, Finchley, Cindywood, Fortsville, Fairview, and Planorsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has activated the Skyward Amateur Radio Network for severe thunderstorm watch number